Nowadays, everyone wants to do things at a fast pace. Similarly, setting up their business and building a new dynamic website. With a good website builder, this job becomes absolutely easy and anyone can stimulate a great site and desired features and beauty in no time. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta and in this video, I'll tell you the best and most reliable website builders to check out. Of course, there are a lot of website builders you could choose from, like Ucraft, Yola, Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, and so on. But in this video, I'm gonna talk about the 5 that I recommend. And they are Wix, WordPress, Webflow, Shopify, and Squarespace. Number 1 in our list is Wix. The difference between Wix and other website builders is that Wix is an unstructured editor. It gives a high degree of flexibility to the editor. You can grab any element and put it anywhere you think is best on the page. Wix offers a widest set of features sets as compared to any other website builder. Some of them are stunning templates, total design freedom, advanced SEO tools, mobile optimization, app market, advanced design features, unlimited fonts, scroll effects, and media gallery. You can create a website in HTML5 and mobile sites through the use of online drag and drop tools. Moreover, it is free and easy to use. Along with 800 plus themes, Wix also offers multiple payment methods and traffic generation tools. Another great standout feature is its own web hosting as well as domain names, both free and paid. You can also explore its app store. With powerful and easy to use tools to build your own website, it has few disadvantages as well, like templates are not interchangeable. With free Wix plan, watermark will come. For tracking, you need a paid plan and your site isn't transferable. Next up is WordPress. WordPress is the most popular website builder in the world. A quick note, WordPress.com and WordPress.org are two different platforms, so don't get confused between the two. WordPress is a great for bloggers who want a website to host their blogs. It includes a large number of themes and hundreds and thousands easy to install add-ons to choose from. WordPress has an advanced blog editor which makes it easy to customize the size, color, and placement of each element separately. You can also buy a domain from WordPress without upgrading your current free plan. WordPress is also very easy to use. You can create a stunning portfolio, e-commerce websites, and blog. Along with ample templates and plugins, it also provides you traffic information, 3 GB of storage space, and unlimited bandwidth. The major drawback of using WordPress is many features are locked. You need to go for a premium option. Also, there is a limitation in the editing of elements. You can't just select an element and edit. You have to work within the constraints and go with some limited edits which are allowed by the theme editor. So some of the WordPress features are, it provides quality add-on and support. It has tool optimization features. It has feature-rich e-commerce system, gives its own hosting service, can shift to other hosting providers as well if needed. Number 3 on our list is Webflow. I would recommend Webflow if you want to design themes on your own from scratch. The key thing is to understand that Webflow gives you the flexibility of front-end coding without actually requiring you to learn to code. So we can adjust the heading tag or change the border radius of the CTA button. This is done with the help of padding and border radius. These are CSS properties and Webflow is taking these properties and organizing them into an interface. It also has other features such as CMS. I would say Webflow has a learning curve, so it is definitely going to help you to learn the fundamentals of web designing. Number 4, Shopify. Shopify is known as the best e-commerce platform. It gives us a complete e-commerce solution that allows you to set up an online store to sell your products. With no code at all, it lets you organize your product, customize your storefront, accept credit card payments, track and respond to orders. Just like other website builders, you can choose a website template and then customize it as per the need of your business. It also provides App Store access from where you can add an extra feature. Additionally, it provides APIs for which you can ask the technical team to integrate. Along with a wide range of themes, it allows you to customize it without the assistance of a developer. But if you want to add HTML and CSS, then it has access for this too. Shopify has far more apps than their competitors, and their lead in apps is just getting bigger. Some other features that Shopify provides are, it has a highly engaged community, third-party integrations are available, it has stunning e-commerce features, there are more than 1,000 integrations available out there. Shopify has far more apps than their competitors, and their lead in app is just getting bigger. Number 5, Squarespace. Squarespace is similar to WordPress. It provides you beautiful templates and outstanding features to build a site from scratch. However, it is not providing any plugins but offers 24/7 service to its users. The website builder is highly recommendable for people who are in the visual media, entertainment, dining or fashion industries. It provides you with drag and drop features and visually pleasing designs. Other features include hosting, free domain name, marketing, scheduling, logos, etc. Squarespace is a go-to platform for building sites by just picking a template, adding some content and hitting the go button. That's it. Today, the web design market is flooded with many options to design a website. But when it comes to ease and time-saving, website builders are there to do the job. These builders are also good for non-tech people where no coding knowledge is required. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, raise them in the comment section below. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel today. I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.